We got the theory board out. We're gonna try to make something sampleable, and we might flip it into something. I don't know yet, but let us just get into it. We're not gonna do too much talking. Y'all know how I do. Peace. Let's do it. We are going to get my sister to sing. We're going to sing some vocals. The theory board is so powerful. So y'all see me just lay down that string section. What I'm gonna do is copy this string section, boom, and I'm gonna lay down the same pattern, but I'm gonna lay down that same chord progression with a different chord structure. Instead of that, I'm gonna hit this inversion button and get. It's hot, right? Yeah. So what that allows me to do is just put that in a different element of the song. I'm giving y'all some gems right now. That's a gem. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even mean to do that. Hold on. Let me see if I like it. Like that? Appreciate y'all for tapping in. Make sure y'all tap in with me, LK Jimmy at on Instagram. Y'all be blessed. Say peace, sis.
Peace.
Peace out, y'all. So we are in E minor on the theory board. Theory board allows us to get all our chords on the left side, all our melodies on the right side. If we need to change the key, we can do so at the top right here. And we also got different variations of these chords in key. So that's what the theory board is.
Beach with $1 million auto. Bring the cameraman, we can shoot our own knuckle. 812 matte black, looking like Choco. I promise you the floor plan's nothing like the model.
Hey, I could do that all night. I think honestly, this is a good foundation of a track. Y'all saw how easy I did that with the theory board. Y'all saw how easy I did that with the machine. TheoryBoard is the best MIDI keyboard on the market, bro. I'm gonna keep saying that. Chords on the left side, melodies on the right side, different key changes at the top, inversions, octaves, formations of different chords you never heard of. Tap in with us, man, at LKG. Y'all know what we doing, man. We with TheoryBoard, we with Native Instruments, we working on Jimmy. Lowkey Jimmy Project. Just dropped a project on all streaming platforms. It's called Amethyst. Key of F minor right now. Left side you got the chords, right side you got your melody. Switch the melody up top. We are gonna do a breakdown video of this theory board. Invert that. So we're gonna invert that, come down an octave. Kind of want to export this down as a loop. I'm going to still use it as one element of the song's drum loop. Put some effects on it so it can be in the background on another part of the song. Add a little 808. You know what I'm saying? Hey. What we did with native instruments theory board. I will be driving a tutorial to break down what a beast this keyboard is, man. Tap in with me at LK Jimmy. We dropped a project today. It's called Amethyst. So love y'all, man. Be blessed.